Routing rules in Brisk Support. On the Routing Rules page, click Add New Rule, enter a name, define the condition, choose the action, specify the queue or attribute value, add a rule weight, and click Save. Continue watching for more details on routing rules in Brisk Support. The Routing Rules page allows administrators to create, edit, and view rules that determine how new tickets are routed. These rules assign tickets to specific queues or set ticket attributes automatically based on conditions found in the email subject, body, sender, recipient, Recipient CC, or the detected language. If there are no routing rules or none apply to the ticket, the system assigns the ticket by default to the dispatch queue. To add a new rule, go to the Routing Rules page and click the Add New Rule button. The first field is the rule name. This should be a short description of the routing rule. Next, define the condition that will trigger the rule. Conditions are based on the field to be evaluated. Select from the drop-down subject, body, sender, recipient, Recipient CC, language, or classification. Select Contain for an inclusive match or equals for an exact match. Then enter the term or terms to search for. Inclusive matches can include multiple terms separated by commas. If a term contains a comma, place the term inside quotation marks to indicate that it is part of the term not separating a list. If the condition is language, select the language from the list. After setting the condition, choose the action the rule should perform. Commonly, rules are used to assign a ticket to a particular queue. Select Move Ticket to Queue, then select the appropriate queue from the drop-down list. If the action is to assign a custom attribute, you must specify which attribute is affected, and if applicable, provide the attribute value. Assign a rule weight to determine the importance of the rule. Tickets are given priority based on weight. The higher the weight, the sooner a ticket will be worked on. Once these details are entered, click Save Rule to create the new routing rule. To edit or delete a rule, open the Action menu and select from the list. For more Brisk Support tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.